Welcome back, guys. Johnny here, and I got another exciting video for you today. Now, I woke up early today. I wanted to check the markets and mess around with some TD Ameritrade as well as my Robinhood app. I'm starting to get into a little bit of day trading along with swing trading to add to my portfolio of long-term trading overall and getting dividends over time. So just kind of mix it up a little bit and play with the market. But today I want to talk to you about INO. Now, this company went up 46% in the early hours. I got on to TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim platform about 8:30. I was watching it go up. I'll pull up a little chart here, and as you can see, it was going up around $16, $17. That's where it was going, and I kept watching it and watching it and watching it. I watched it till about 10 o'clock, and I got FOMO, or fear of missing out. And I was like, man, don't get into this position because it's too late. You know, it's already spiked up from 14 to 17. I seen it go from 17 to 20, and I was like, you know what? Why not put a little skin in the game and buy a few shares? So I'm gonna pull up my history here, as well as the Thinkorswim platform screenshot that I took. And as you can see, I bought one share at $20.18 at 10:08 a.m. Now, I thought this was really good because I saw the trend line going up. The MACD was looking good, as well as the RSI was overbought, but it kept going up and going up. So then I went and I bought another share a minute later at 20.53, as you could see on the chart, and then it kept going up. So at 10:16 a.m. I bought 3 more shares at $20.53. As you can see on the charts here and the timestamp on Robinhood. Now, I really thought that this company was going to stay going up, and as you can see, it hit a high of 21.19. So what did I do? I bought more shares, and this is going to show you the next picture here. I bought 4 more shares at $21.80. Now, why did I do that? Because at 10:53 a.m. I seen it pull back, and it hit the 0 mark on the MACD, and I thought, man, it's gonna bounce. I seen it kind of curving up a little bit. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna buy it at 21.80 because it had a recent high of 22.68. Now at 22.68, at that mark, I had 5 shares in the game, and I was up 8%, or $8.22. Now that's where I should have sold and got out of my position, locked in 8%, and been good to go. But I figured it was going to go up even higher. It might hit that $22 mark again. Heck, might even go up to $25. Well, what happened? I bought 4 shares at $21.80. My average share price went down to $21.05. Now, this entire time, I seen it. It was only a few minutes actually from 25.01, and I seen it hit 25.01 a couple of times, and I was like, oh man, I don't know. And within a second, I went down, and I was down like $4. I lost all the $8 profit. I went down to $4, and I was like, well, dang, what do I do? So not much longer after buying the 4 shares at 10.53, at 11.20, I sold all 9 shares at 21.16. Now, I made 9 cents on each share 9 times. So I made, after I calculated everything, it only looked like I made about 99 cents. I rechecked, I added up all my positions that I bought, and then I subtracted that from what I sold it at, and it actually came out to 95-cent profit. $1 is what I profited, even though I was up $8. Now, I was trying to average my position up so that way I can get a better sell price, maybe get to $10 to $16 in profits. And as you can see on the chart, it went down to that little red line that I have as an indicator, where that I drew. It hit that line twice, And I was lucky enough for it to pull up one more time to 21.16, and I sold. I just had a weird feeling that it was going to drop because the MACD indicator just kept going down. It didn't recover. It wasn't going back up, and it actually dropped all the way down to, it looks like, $19.96. I would have been down so much money. I would have been down probably like $10 to $15. So I cut my losses early before I even had to cut losses. I made a profit of $1 and I got out of the trade. Well, as you can see on the chart here, it never recovered. It stayed down, and even on my Robinhood right now, it's at 21.14. So it did finally recover after hours, but when I before the market closed at 2 o'clock, let's see, 1:55 p.m., it was at 21.57. I wasn't able to be around to sell it then, and when I last stopped watching it about 12:40, it was down to $20.36. That would have been a huge loss for me. I'm glad I sold out, and I got to tell you guys, it was pretty hectic. I've never really day traded before. I mean, I have slightly in the past with some UGAs and DGAs when I first started out. Man, I think I made like $30 one day, and then I lost $60 the next day. And after that, I was like, I'm not going to day trade for a while. I'm just going to keep doing my thing and just not even worry about it. Well, it was an experience, let me tell you guys. I mean, the adrenaline rush from making the money to almost having an anxiety attack and a panic attack from losing money. It was a crazy couple hours in the market. I'm glad I got to see it. Now, what I know from why INO increased and the rally went so high was because there was $71 million was given to INO from the U.S. Defense Department for a new vaccine device for everything that's going on right now in the world. So huge gains, guys. It went up like 46% right now, currently doing this video at 4 o'clock p.m. It has a share price of $21.15, and it is up 40% on the day. Now, it was a lot of fun day trading, and I didn't make a lot of money, but I didn't lose money either. I made 95 cents, so it is something, but I definitely did need to practice more. This was the first day trying out day trading after years and years, and again, I only did it for 2 days back then. So if you guys enjoyed this video, you found it kind of useful or interesting, smash that like button for me and share it with your friends and family, because these setups and these positions are everywhere. I found this today at 8:30 in the morning using the TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim platform scanner. I used this scanner. I seen it already up like 15%. I watched, and you know what? I should have bought in at that $17 mark, all the way up to even $20 or $21 when I sold. I would have made $5 times 9 shares. I would have been up $45. And it's just, I kind of shot myself in the foot on that one. I'm beating myself up for it still. But again, that's just something that comes with day trading. I'm glad I didn't lose $45. I made $1. And so it's all a learning game. And anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to have more of these type of videos coming soon. I'm going to be talking more about stocks, and I'll be showing you what's inside my Robinhood portfolio probably within the next day or two. All right? You guys have a great day.